Are you living paycheck to paycheck and still falling behind? Watching your money disappear before the month even ends? You scroll past videos saying, save $10,000 and think, I can't even save $10. But here's what no one tells you. You don't need a high income to save your first $10,000. What you need is a plan, a small, consistent system, and a decision to stop staying stuck. This video is that plan, and it starts right now. Welcome to Rapid Rise Finance, where we turn struggle into strategy. Today, I'll show you how to save your first $10,000, even if you're starting from zero and earning just enough to survive. This is real, this is doable, and it's made for you. Step 1. Set a real, reachable goal. You've heard it before. Just save more. But that advice is useless unless you define the goal. So let's get specific. Saving $10,000 in 2 years equals $417 per month or just $14 per day. Does that sound big? Break it smaller. $100 per week. That's doable with strategy. Write down your $10,000 target. Put a date on it, because vague goals equal vague results. Step 2. Survival budgeting. Only what matters now. Let's build a survival budget, not a Pinterest perfect one. Only the essentials. Check rent, check utilities, check food, check transport, check debt minimums, cut the fluff. You're not punishing yourself, you're buying peace. Peace from stress, peace from fear, peace from living one flat tire away from disaster. Step 3. Mini emergency fund. First hit before saving big, protect yourself small. Build a $500 emergency fund, even if it takes months. Why? Because one emergency shouldn't erase your progress. It's not luxury, it's safety. Start with $10 a week. Even if it feels slow, it's building your financial shield. Step 4. Find the leak. You don't need more money. First, you need to stop losing the money you already have. Check your last 2 months of spending. Find your budget leaks, daily coffee food delivery, unused subscriptions. Random impulse buys reclaim $100 per month, and that's $1,200 per year. That's momentum. That's your buffer. That's the seed. Step 5. Boost income without burning out. Now we grow, because saving on low income gets easier when income rises. But this doesn't mean working 90 hours a week. Think small, strategic side income. Freelance on weekends. Sell digital templates or services. Tutor online delivery once a week. Offer a skill you already have. Even $200 a month extra cuts your 2-year goal down by months. Step 6. Automate your wins. Here's a secret. Manual savings fail. Automated savings win. Set up auto transfers. Right after payday. Even if it's just $20, do it. Treat savings like a bill, because your future deserves to get paid too. Step 7. Track visually and celebrate small wins. Tracking makes it real. Draw a chart, use a savings app, fill in blocks as you go, $100 at a time. Saving becomes a game, and you don't need perfection, just progress. This isn't just about money, it's about proving to yourself you can. If you're feeling behind in life, if you're tired of being broke, tired of feeling stuck, know this: you don't have to be rich to save. You don't need permission to start. You just need the decision to try. From 0 to 10K, this is your roadmap. Start small, stay consistent, and don't quit. Drop a jump in the comments if you're serious about saving your first $10,000. And tell me, what's the hardest part for you right now? Make sure to subscribe to Rapid Rise Finance. We post weekly money guides that actually work for real people just like you. Let's build your future, one smart step at a time.